Hi guys, so I'm going to be reviewing the Black Bassbuds. Yeah, these are earbuds from Black, and I want to see what's in the box and tell you a little more about how they function. Right, so unbox with me. There's a seal, designed with love from USA. Right, when you open first, there's a card which you can use to claim your warranty in case of anything. They come with 12 months warranty. Okay, so what's in the box? One, the earbuds themselves from Black. They're quite smooth and elegantly designed. I really love how they look. I really love how they look. Of course, they come with a display to check your battery, so you don't have to worry about when to charge them. Currently, they're at 90%, and every time you close the case, they keep recharging, and for each recharge, they can take you up to extra 5 hours. But if fully charged and you're using them throughout, they are able to last a battery of 30 hours. They're quite incredible. I love them because of their design. With just a touch, you can be able to pick or drop calls, but also increase volume by just a touch here. They have a sensor touch right there. Um, oh, quite small and I would say convenient in terms of, you know, whatever you choose to use them for. Right there. So I'll put them back and then we see what more is in the box. They know that people have different sizes of ears, so right there, there are extra tips for you, or in case you lose these, or in case they get damaged, you're able to replace them. So these are extra 4. And then in the box is a cable for charging. They use the port C cable, as you can see. So that's Black for you, Black Bassbuds. I love them because they are light and the sound is amazing. You should try them out. Use promo code Canary to get 50% discount on www.blacklife.com. Life, Lyf.